Hello friends, today's topic is union operation in relational algebra. In last lecture, we have seen there are two main operations in relational algebra. These are basic or fundamental operations and derived operations. And to perform these two operations, we require operators, set operators. So there are binary and unary operators. So union operation is performed using binary operator. Okay. So in a union operation, it is used to select all the rows tuples from the two tables or relations. Okay. So binary operations or binary operators are performed on two relations, whereas a unary operator performed on only one relation. So union of two relations is represented as R1 union R2. Here R1 and R2 are the relations. But what happened to perform union operations? Uh, these two relations must be union compatible. What do you mean by union compatible? So to for the union operation to be valid, the following condition must hold. So those two relations R1 and R2 must have same number of attributes, which is also known as the degree of relations. So degree of relation is nothing but the number of attributes column each table is having. So both the tables, so both the relations should have equal number of columns or attributes. And second is the domain of relation should be same. Domain of relation means the corresponding attribute or column should have same domain or type. Okay. So suppose in one table there are two columns. So domain of first column of first relation should be same as the first column of the second relation. So अगर R1 and R2 दो टेबल्स है एंड दोनों टेबल्स में दो कॉलम्स है, तो जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है उसका टाइप सेम होना चाहिए, विच could be character or number. In similar way, the second column should have same type. Then and then you can say both the tables are union compatible. It is symbolized as a U. The using U, you can show there is a union operation between two relations. It performs binary union between two given relations, and it is defined as R1 union R2 equals to T stands for tuple such that T belongs to R1 और T belongs to R2. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है R1 एंड R2 के यूनियन ऑपरेशन से, उसमें R1 एंड R2 ये दोनों के टपल्स होने वाले हैं. ओके. So basically it is selecting tuples from two relations. The notations of a union operation is R1 U R2. So again I am telling you, it is a fundamental but binary operator. Why binary operator? Because it is taking two relations. So same topic हमने set operators में भी देखा था. So there are two sets, R and S. R consists of 1, 2, 3. S consists of 3, 4, 5. If you perform the union of this, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So union of R and S is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the table. So now we have two tables, student and teacher. The student and teacher table is having two columns. student is having roll number and name, teacher is having employee ID and name. So how do you represent to student union teacher? So if you perform student union teacher, which is the notation in a relational algebra, it will give you this error because you're combining table, and in this table there are two columns attributes, and combination of these two attributes is making unique entry. That's why there is no duplication, and each and every row from both the table is merged together to give you this output. If you go further, now what I am doing here is I am taking only roll number of student and employee ID of the teacher relation. So note here that both the attributes is having same type, same domain, which is of type number, and we are performing union of that. The projection operator is basically separating a roll number column from the student and employee ID column from the teacher, so which is we have seen in last video. So if you look at the output of this expression, mathematical expression, so in student relation roll numbers are 1 2 3 4 5, and in teacher relation employee ID is 3 6 4 7 8. So if you combine, if you union operation, according to union operation, the output would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So again here one question comes, in both the table, in first column there is a 3 number, so 3 is a duplicate, but here you can see there is a only single entry of 3. Same thing happens with 4, there is a single entry of 4. Why this happen? Because the union operation eliminates the duplicate entry, that's why. So it gives you only distinct value of the specified column.